Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by arranging your source table, stage names in column and values in column B. Once done, add a helper column to compute the cumulative gap above each stage so bars will stack into a funnel shape. Make sure to sort or order stages intentionally. Order affects visual flow. You will use these two series, blank gap and actual values, to build the chart. Now select both helper and value columns, because creating the stacked bar is the immediate next step to shape the funnel. You insert a stacked bar chart from the selected helper and value columns. Excel places the gap series below each reel segment. Once the chart exists, flip the vertical axis order so the top of the funnel begins at the top, and set series overlap and gap width to 0 or a low % to tighten edges. Then, format the helper series to have no fill and no border so it's invisible, and style each value segment with consistent colors or gradient for visual flow and emphasis. You finish by adding data labels to show counts or percentages, choosing inside end or center so labels sit within each funnel segment. Also add a legend or stage labels for clarity. Make sure colors represent progression and that labels show % of total if that helps interpretation. If the funnel looks off, review the helper column formulas and confirm your axis is categorical, not date or numeric scaled. Fixing the helper cumulative values or switching axis type typically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.